Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use big friend addition concept for solving 2 by 2 digit and 3 by 3 digit numbers. If you enjoy learning Abacus in a simple and fun way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let us recall the big friend additions with the help of these examples. First one, 9 plus 5 plus 6. 9 plus 5. Now, how will I do plus 5? Which formula will I use? Yes. So, the formula says plus 10 less 5. And now, plus 6. How will I plus 6? I don't have enough beads. So, what is the formula for plus 6? It is add 10 less 4. So my answer is 20. Next one, 38 plus 3 plus 5. 38 plus 3. Now how will I do plus 3? I don't have enough beads. So what is the formula? It says plus 10 less 7. Okay. And next plus 5. Can I add 5 directly? Yes. So my answer is 46. Next. 16 plus 14. 16 plus 14. Now over here I need to add 1 bead. In the tens rod I need to add 1 bead, that is 10. Can I add directly? Yes, I can. Add 4. Now can I add 4 over here? No. I only have 3 beads, so I cannot add 4. So what is the formula? Add 10 less 6. So my answer is 30. Now, the next one, 77 plus 32. 77 plus 32. Now, over here in the tens rod, I need to add 3. Can I add 3? No, I only have 2 beads left. So now what do? I have to use the hundreds rod. So for hundreds rod, do we have any other formula? Yes? Yes, for hundreds rod, we do have some other formula. You want to learn that today? Okay. So let us learn the big friends of 100. What are big friends of 100? Okay, I'll show you. Can you see this? These are big friends of 10 and these are big friends of 100. I'm giving you some time. Have a look and then we'll discuss. Did you understand this? Now in big friends of 10, 10 is the boss number and big friends of 100, 100 is the boss number. Now in the big friend, 1 plus 9 is 10. So in the big friend of 100, it is 10 plus 90 equals to 100. 2 plus 8 is 10. So over here it is 20 plus 80 equals to 100. 3 plus 7 is 10. So here it's going to be 30 plus 70 equals to 100. Very good. Next, 4 plus 6 is 10. So who's the friend of 40? 60 is the friend, right? 40 plus 60 makes 100. 5 plus 5 is 10. So who is the friend of 50? 50 plus 50 becomes 100. 6 and 4 are friends. So 60 and 40 are friends. 7 and 3 are friends. So 70 plus 30 is 100. 8 plus 2 are friends. So 80 plus 20 equals to 100. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. 90 plus 10 equals to 100. Did you understand this? Okay, but these are big friends. These are just the friends. What about the formula? Let us study the formula of 100. Now, take a look here. This is big friend addition of 10 and this is big friend addition of 100. If I want to add plus 1. So what is the formula for plus 1? Plus 10 less 9. Same way, if I want to add 10, I want to plus 10. So it's going to be plus 100 less 90. Next, for plus 2, for adding 2, it is plus 10 less 8. Why less 8? Because 2 and 8 are friends. Same manner, for plus 20, I will say plus 100 and less 80. For plus 3, it is plus 10 less 7. Over here, it is for plus 30, it is going to be plus 10 less 70. For plus 4, for adding 4, we have the formula plus 10 less 6. For plus 40, for adding 40, it's going to be plus 100 less 60. Why 60? Because 60 and 40 are friends. For 5, it is going to be plus 5 less 5. For plus 50, plus 100 less 50. For plus 6, it is add 10 less 4. For plus 60 is going to be add 100 less 40. Why 40? Because 60 and 40 are friends. For plus 7, it is plus 10 less 3. Here it is. For plus 70, it is plus 100 less 30. For plus 8, it is plus 10 less 2. For plus 80, plus 100 less 20. For plus 9, it is plus 10 less 1. For plus 90, it is plus 100 less 10. It is very simple. You can see the difference is only we are adding a 0. Okay, we're just adding a 0. That's it. It's very easy and simple to remember. Okay, now using these formulas, with the help of this formula, let us solve this question. It is 77 add 32. 77 add 32. I need to add 3 beads here in the tens column. 3 beads. So for plus 30, I have to do plus 100 less 70. So this is the hundreds rod. So plus 100 and less 70. Correct? And add 2. Can I add 2 directly? Yes. So what is my answer? 109. Okay. Now we are going to solve more of these sums based on these formulas. Now we are going to solve these sums. To solve these sums, you should know the basic of big friend addition. If you haven't watched my videos, please find the link in my description box. Let us start with the first one. 82 plus 45. 82. So 82 plus 45 means over here in the tens rod I need to have 4 beads. But I don't have enough beads. So what is the formula that we are going to use? It is plus 40. So what is the formula for plus 40? It is plus 100. And who's the friend of 40? 60. Very good. So plus 100 less 60. And add 5. I added 5 here. What is my answer? 127. 1, 2, 7. Okay, next one. 90 plus 38. 90 plus 38. Now I need to have 3 more beads in the tens column. So I need to use big friend of 100. Add 30. Now first remember, who is the friend of 3? The friend of 3 is 7. Good. So who is the friend of 30? Okay, the friend of 30 is 70. So what is the formula? Add 100 and less the friend of 30, that is 70. And now add 8. Can I add 8 directly? Yes. Okay, my answer is 128. Next one. 75 plus 85. 75 plus 85. Over here, I need 8 more beads. So, remember, who's the friend of 8? 2. So, who's the friend of 80? 20. Good. So, the formula says add 100 less 20. Now, add 5. I need to add 5 here. But the 5 bead is already in use. So, what formula we are applying? We are going to apply big friend addition of 5. Add 10 less 5. So, my answer is 1, 6. There is no bead here. So, it's going to be 0. Okay. The next one. 54 plus 56. 54. Now plus 50. I need to add 50 here. So what is the formula? Who's the friend of 5? 5. So who is the friend of 50? 50. So what is the formula? Add 100 less 50. Okay. And now add 6. How will I add 6? Add 10 less 4. My answer is 110. Next one, 97 plus 18. 97 plus 18. I need 1 bead here in the tens rod. So, what is the formula? Who's the friend of 1? 9. So, who's the friend of 10? 90. So, add 100 less 90. Okay. Now, add 8. How will I add 8 in the ones rod? Again, big friend addition of 10. Add 10 less the friend of 8, that is 2. My answer is 1, 1, 5. Okay, let us solve. Next one. 45 plus 63 plus 27. 45. Let's place the number first. 45. 63. I need to add 6 here in the tens rod. So, the formula, who's the friend of 6? 4. So, who's the friend of 60? 40. So, add 100 less 40. Add 3. Can I add 3 directly? Yes. Next number, 27. Add 20. In the tens rod, can I add 20? Yes, I can. Now 7. I cannot add 7 directly. So, again the formula, add 10 less the friend of 7, that is 3. So, my answer is 135. Next one, 94 plus 17 plus 9. 94 plus 17. Now again, I need to apply the formula. Who's the friend of 10? 90. Very good. So add 100 less 90. Add 7. How will I add 7? Add 10 less 3. Add 9. I cannot add 9. I can only add 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can add 8. I cannot add 9. So the formula, add 10 less the friend of 9, that is 1. My answer is 120. Okay, the next one. 31 plus 79 plus 64. 31. 79. So 79, that is, add 100 less the friend of 70, that is 30. Add 9. Again add 10 less 1. 79 is done. Now 64. Now 64. Can I add 6 directly here? Yes, 6. And add 4. Can I add 4 directly? Yes. So my answer is 174. The next one, 83 plus 21 plus 76. 83, 21. Now 21 again. Who's the friend of 2? 8. So who's the friend of 20? 80. So it's going to be add 100 less 80. Add 1. Okay. Now we need to add 76. Can I add 7 here in the tens column? Yes. 7 and 6. So the formula is add 10 less 4. My answer is 180. Now the last one, 66 plus 40 plus 4. 66 plus 40. So plus 40 is add 100 less 60. And add 4. How will I add 4? Again add 10 less the friend of 4, that is 6. My answer is 110. Now today we have learned how to solve 2 by 2 digit numbers using big friend addition of 10 and 100. We will continue to learn 3 by 3 digit big friends in the next lesson. Practice every day to improve your speed and accuracy. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next class. Till then, stay in touch and keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.